What's up, everybody? My name is Matthew Cuban Hernandez. I am a director for Street Poets, Inc. And today I would love to share with you my favorite poem and writing exercise. The poem I'll share with you today is by the poet Jeffery McDaniel, and it's called The Quiet World. In an effort to get people to look into each other's eyes more, and also to appease the silent, the government has decided to allot each person exactly 167 words per day. When the phone rings, I put it to my ear without saying hello. In the restaurant, I point at chicken noodle soup. I'm adjusting well to the new way. Late at night, I call my long-distance love, proudly say, I only used 59 today. I saved the rest for you. When she doesn't respond, I know she's used up all her words. So I slowly whisper, I love you, 32 1/3 times. After that, we just sit on the line and listen to each other breathe. Now, this is one of my favorite poems for a lot of reasons. One of the main ones is because for the last couple years, it seems a little too real. We rarely get a chance to look each other in the eyes. We rarely get a chance to be in the same space with each other. But when we do, it's a powerful and beautiful thing. So today what we're going to do is we're going to create a poem using this format, using this idea of words as an economy, right? When you can only have so many, each word becomes so valuable. So we're going to start by creating 3 lists of 3. Your first list, I would love for you to visualize yourself in a comfortable space. Maybe you're in your home, or maybe you are where you are right now. But I want you to think that there's a window there. And when you look outside that window, I want you to tell me 3 things that you see. It could be anything, a living creature, an inanimate object, something that you might hope to see, but be creative. What 3 things do you see out of your window? Once you create that list, I want you to take a moment and think about 3 people in your life that you love. Again, it could be 3 people that are here present, or 3 people that have passed on, or maybe it's 3 people that you hope to meet one day. But write down 3 people that you love. And then once you've completed that list, I want you to get ready for the most intimidating list that there is, which is I want you to write down 3 things that you love about yourself. And once you've created these lists, I want you to take a moment and see which ones really jump out to you. Add an extra detail if you needed to. Poetry is all about the details. Once you've created your list, what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 poems using only 30 words. Can't use 29, can't use 31. We're going to write 3 30-word love poems. And the first thing is I want you to write a love poem to, you guessed it, something you see outside of your window. And once you've completed that, I want you to write a love poem to someone you love. And once you've completed that, it's all in preparation to the hardest poem. So I want you to write a 30-word love poem to yourself. This is a great exercise. It helps us visualize the things that we hope to manifest, not only that are right in front of us, but maybe something that we want to show love to people that are in our lives that maybe don't get as much attention as we need to. And of course, you can always show much more love to yourself, because that doesn't always get as much attention as we like. I hope you enjoy this exercise, and I'm looking forward to reading and hearing your wonderful work. Thanks so much.